Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. I am really excited today. I just got my plastic welding gun. We're going to take a look at it, open it up, check out the features, and use it. So this is the plastic welding gun. It'll do hot troweling, planting nails, which is that metal rebar type thing. We're going to look at that. Thermal cutting, fusion welding, hole repair, and they call it tin brazing, but basically it's soldering. It's got a nice case, and here it is. There are many of these to choose from. You can get a 50 watt, a 70 watt. This is a 100 watt. From the reading I had been doing, it seemed like 100 watt was really the way to go. The 100 watt comes with a box cutter, a side cutter. It comes with this soldering, welding, melting tool. Comes with a couple strips of material to fill in holes and to add some material to a weld. And it comes with these 4 different staples. And we'll take a look at all 4 of those. So these are the 4 types of nails that come with it, and these ends fit into the gun itself, and they really heat it up. This is the one I think I'm going to use the most in here. Also, it comes with this welding tip, and this tip fits on the end and basically heats up like the tip of a soldering gun. Let's take a look at that. Well, the first thing I see is that this piece of plastic has broken off of our gun. Well, maybe this is the best time to try out the welding of this plastic welding gun. So the first thing I notice is when we turn it on, it starts to smoke. It's getting hot. The little LED light is working. And let's see if we can get this to weld a little bit. Now we'll just smooth it out. Well, there we go. First use of the welder. It looked like it did a pretty good job. I just think I'm going to like these the best. Okay, you can see I've used this welding tip to really almost like a MIG weld. You can see almost like a stack of dimes here. There it goes. Considering the speed of this, I don't think I would have wanted the 50 or 70 watt. I think it's too slow. This works well here. Again, this is the 100 watt. We can use the side cutter to take that tip off. You can see it's pretty hot. Now be careful what you set it on. I've had it, because it can basically melt into the plastic. Let's get some angled rivets or nails or rebar or whatever you want to call these things. Fit those in. This is supposed to be for a corner. So here we go. Put that right here in the corner. Let it melt in well. Take the heat off of it. Take it out. It's great. I really like these, like a brand. I actually ordered 1,200 of these. So watch how it just sinks in there, and then when it disappears, that's good. Let's do another one. Let's put the blade tip back on. See if we can improve this a little bit. That weld. Really nice. Great. Now you can see on the surface here, I've already done this welding. Boy, it turned out beautifully. It looks really good. And then we need to clip the ends. I'll be honest, that hurts my hands. Then we'll get the ones that are on it, that are in here. So we're recording, and you can see we'll snip this off. It's better to kind of choke up on this. There it goes. Protective glasses would be a good idea, but look at that. Welded, reinforced with a number of those rebar pieces or nails or staples, whatever you want to call them, even here on the sides. And I put a bunch of those corner nails or rebar, whatever you want, and then melted and welded this. It turned out really well. It works well. So this is the kit. 4 types of nails or rebar or staples. That's welding tip. Pulls off pretty quickly. A couple bars of material to fill in gaps and holes. Side cutter. And some instructions. So as you can see, this plastic welding gun is quite nice. 100 watts. I think I paid $25 for it. It's going to be a really good tool. It comes with all these different nails, or I call them rebar because they look just like rebar. Let's get a closer look again. So there are 4 different types here. Couple welding sticks that I didn't use, side cutter, this soldering tip or welding tip, and then basically a box cutter. Not sure really why, maybe to trim up the plastic, etc. Pretty sure. But here it is, a 100 watt. So I'm very pleased with this purchase. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I think it was about $25. Amazing deal. The LED light looks a little pathetic, but we'll see it in a darker spot, or in a shadow it might work out fine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Click like, it helps the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're interested. Comments are very welcome and always responded to. Thank you very much.